Hi guys, James here at Sandgate Auto Electrics. Now we had this Triton come in today for us to get the new Polaris front dash and rear dash camera installed into the vehicle. Now the new equipment that Polaris has come out actually fits into your rear view mirror. Pretty nice setup for what we're looking at here guys. So as you can see on the right we've got our front, and on the rear we've also got reverse. Handy little feature that we have. As soon as we engage reverse, the screen shows a complete reverse camera side of setup. Now, we've set this one up for the client so that he can see his tow bar when he's reversing up to his trailer, caravan, boat, whatever needs to get through things, so he can do that nice and comfortably. Recording device is top edge, guys. GPS unit is fitted. If you've got any questions, give us a call. We are a Polaris agent. We can get their stuff readily, and happy to discuss any questions that you might have.